Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha, and today I'm going to be testing out the rice water rinse. So I'm starting off by rinsing off my rice just to take away all of the impurities, dirt, chemicals that may have been on the rice. And I'm going to place my rice into a pot. I did start off with half a cup of rice and I just filled the water on top of the rice until it was covered. So I am going to boil this rice. You want to make sure that when you boil this rice, you don't boil it, a lot. You want to, when it comes to a boil, take it off because you don't want to risk over boiling the nutrients and taking them away. Now, this is where I effed up, you guys. I messed up so bad. First, I did put boiling water into my plastic spray bottle. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I did that. It melted my spray bottle. And I am trying to put this rice into the spray bottle. First, the way that I'm trying to put this rice into the spray bottle is oh so wrong. Like, I messed this up so bad. I don't know why I thought to put this rice into this bottle because it did not help at all. The only thing that it did was soaked up most of the water that I needed to put in my hair. Do not do this, you guys. Just keep your water by itself. Do not include your rice back into the water. Please don't. So now I'm just going to show you guys the length of my hair. So I did want to put on a shirt where we can actually detect the length of my hair throughout this whole journey of me doing the rice water rinse. So we're just going to measure my hair like this. Screenshot it, make sure you remember where my hair stops. And this is the rice water with the rice inside. Please, you guys, do not keep your rice inside because it was just soaking up all of my water. I don't think that it made my water any much better than it would have been by itself. Now, I did leave this water sitting at room temperature after I boiled it for like 4 or 5 hours. And now I'm just gonna see what it does to my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna start off detangling my hair, and then I'm just gonna go in with this rice water. I was mainly focusing on my roots and my scalp with this at first, and then I brought it down. I really wanted to get this into my scalp because I have very dry scalp and I have a lot of dandruffs. Like, look at that. I want you guys to see that this is what I need help with. Oh, my hair is just so dry. So hopefully this helps with my dandruffs and the dryness of my hair. I don't know. But I can just tell you guys, me putting this on my hair, it had my curls popping. I'm telling you, when I wash my hair, my curls be popping, but they don't never look like this. And it had my hair like so stiff. It was like so stiff and like it wasn't stringy, like it was like it had a little resistance to it, like it was getting strong. But I don't know, maybe it's just me. But I know you guys have been asking me for some time now to test out this rice water, and I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you guys to why it took me so long to test this out. I really want real results with this rice water, period. I want this rice water to grow my hair. So this is the time when I clip my ends, and I wanted to wait until it was time for me to clip my ends to do this rice water rinse because I really want this rice water to grow my hair. So before this video, I went ahead and clipped my ends, and I'm like, this is the perfect time for me to try this rice water out. And what better time to do it when I just clipped away all of my dead hair. Now, if you guys do want to see a video on how I clip my ends, I am not a professional, but if you guys want to see that, comment down below. These curls are popping, sis. Period. Now, let me talk about this rice water a little bit. I don't know much about it. I can't tell y'all any results as of now, but I do plan on, doing this for like a month, just going in every week on wash day and incorporating this into my routine. And we're gonna test out how long this makes my hair grow. So I'm gonna wear the same shirt every time so that we can see how far my hair grows within like a month or two. Go ahead and comment down below, how long do you think I should test out this rice water? How consistent should I be with this rice water, so that we can see some real results, because I really want my hair to grow. I can speak for now. Using this rice water, one time my hair actually reacted good to the rice water, because on wash days I hate it. It'd be such a hassle trying to detangle my hair when I'm washing it, but this has so much slip. It was so easy to detangle my hair, and it was not a lot of shedding. When I'm detangling my hair, I have a lot of shedding, but my hair barely shedded when doing this. Even if it shedded a little, that is great compared to the amount of shedding that I have when I detangle my hair. But so far so good. It did make my hair very, very sticky, but hey, it's rice water. So yeah, this is my shower cap. It has a satin cap in the inside and a plastic cap on the outside, and I left this on for like an hour. Your head produces heat, so I wanted to really soak this rice water in. Now, this rice water, just for 1 hour, leaving this in my hair, did so good. My hair had so much slip, and it really worked as a conditioner, because I could never rub my fingers through my hair without having conditioner on it. But this had so much slip, and I just feel like it made my hair so much stronger. But if you guys want to see a journey of using the rice water, please comment down below and let me know you guys' thoughts. I can't wait to see what this rice water does for my hair, and also bring you guys along on the journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on. I love you guys. Bye.